Assalamualaikum. So this is the kitchen. We are doing a retouch in the kitchen. Alhamdulillah. And this is the entrance. Yeah. It's the entrance. And the living. Okay. So right now this is the bedroom 2. Focusing the bedroom 2. One person is doing shilak in the makan, and the other one in the wood planks. And this is the bedroom 1. Yeah, the 2 person also working, one in silak and one in the wood planks. And this is the